Okay, welcome, good afternoon, good night to Bangladesh, good afternoon here in Europe, and good morning to Latin America and America. Yeah, okay, we have it before noon, okay. So, my name is Ralf, and we are looking to Mojahidua. What is your name? You need to type on your microphone. Turn on your microphone. Here, look. This is my microphone.
Yes, he has problems with his microphone. He wrote this.
Yeah. Okay. He is looking where it is. Yeah? But I think that he will not go get permission without a microphone. Yeah. Has anyone a signal, a sign of a microphone or something like this? Okay, Tara, hello, how you doing? Hello, Tara.
Hello.
Hello, okay. Hello, Cosma.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello, Firine.
Hello.
Yeah, and hello, Valeria.
Hello.
From International Space. Oh, wer ist hier? Yeah, hello, Bangladesh.
Hello.
Hello, now we hear you. This is nice. Hello. Okay, Mr. Bohan, can I hear you also?
Yes.
Mr. Oh, this is great. So, we are here on the Friday. Today is the 22nd of January. It is 2 days after the inauguration of the new US President Biden. This is a new time what we have now. And oh yes, hello, I can see you now. Nice. And we want to make our last and 10th CAD unit for the first beginner course of the, I see this here, Rovernauts. No? Okay, these are the Rovernauts, and we made this also in the past on the 3D printer in several sizes. Here it is a little bit smaller. Yeah, and we put this by ourselves on the computer and on the 3D printer. Here it is in green. So, okay, and what is a Rovernaut? We'll explain Firine now by our CAD number 10. So, in the past time, we built and assembled a MiniRover, and today we want to see how to make it colorful and with logos on it. So, thank you, Firine. This is your turn.
Okay, so my homework was to put the right materials on the parts of the rover and to color it. So I think I'm just going to share my screen now. Can you see it? Okay,
yes.
First of all, I've downloaded some photos of the rover I wanted to design in SolidWorks. So its name is Calypso. And, okay. I can't, wait, there's a problem. I wanted to show you more photos, but I think there's something with the permission wrong.
Let me try again.
Let's see. Okay, now it works. So this is Calypso. It has some yellow parts, especially in the body part, and there are some black parts like the back axle, and it has also many chrome plated parts that it looks nice. So, and here are some more photos of the summer tour 2018, I guess it was. Over here. Okay. So this is how it looks now in SolidWorks. And first of all, I wanted you to show how to change the material of a part. For example, this part of a back axle is made out of steel. So we can just click on the part and then it's highlighted in blue. And we go to material and change it. So there are many different options. For example, this is just a list of many different steel options, and we have also iron and so on. So you can choose between many different options. And of course, you also have to change the color. So for example, let's take this part. It's there's an icon over here. And then you can choose whatever your color you would like to choose. So I think it's just right like this. But there's a problem I want to show you with this part, for example, because it's made out of one part, and if you want to change the color, for example in black, just everything turns black. But actually this part over here is made out of metal, so it should be gray. You can see it over here. And only the upper part should be black, but it's not able to use it like this. So that's why we have to delete this one and select another option. It's this one. And then you can click just on some of the faces that then turn black. And if it's like very small or there are some parts distracting you, you can also go to the file of the part. It needs some time to load. Okay, right here. And then you have then it's easier to change, for example, the color. So it's basically the same way how to do it. But so we want those faces black. Ah, okay. Again, I made the mistake, so you have to click on this surface. On this icon, I mean, sorry. Now it should be working. Yeah. So now it's selected, so we can click on OK, save it, and go back to our model. And as you can see, it also changed the color right here. Okay, and I guess now we want to print some stickers on it.
Correct, yes. Okay.
Okay, one moment. Thank you, Verine. This was a very, very good work. I'm amazing. I'm surprised that you did it so quick. And some informations to Bangladesh. Verine is 16 years old, and this is her 10th, only her 10th unit. So a unit has 1 hour, and she started by 0 4 weeks ago, and now we are by unit number 10, and she can do this, what you saw. Okay. So now let's see how to map logos on it.
Yes, as Ralf is saying, Verine has become very advanced in SolidWorks in so little time. I'm also proud of her. Okay, so sharing my screen now. Okay, so you can see it right now. Okay, so today's lessons is about how to add decals or stickers or logos, as you want to say them. Okay, so the first lesson was already covered by Verine. It's how to color, art, and personalize your own rover. And the next lessons or the next tools I'm going to teach you are how to add logos as decals, how to add logos with a sketch picture, and how to sketch pictures. Okay, so these are very similar, but they are a little bit different. So we will see which the difference are. Okay, so I'll go to my SolidWorks and I will start with this sheet. So you can see it's empty. Okay, so I have 2 options to add my logos on it. The first one is go to this part, this left of the menu that we already know, and click on the appearances on the display manager. And we have a second logo here. It is called View Decals. And you can see it's a little bit like a cylinder with a logo inside. So I'm going to click it. And I will click on Open Decal Library. Okay, also this library here of appearances and some suggested logos here that are already available. So there are some SolidWorks logos, a barcode. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, I also need to click on a surface. I'm going to click on this one and I can drag it. Okay, so you can see it automatically fits to my surface. Okay, so I have some options here and I want to tell you about it. The first one is where is my file? Okay, so here I can click on browse and then I can choose other files that are here in this folder, or I can also go to my own files. I'll look for my own file. For example, I have my logos here. Okay, so for example, this one. Yeah, so you see it automatically fits to the surface that you are trying to do. Okay, then you can edit a little bit the image using mask. And also we have some options here on mapping where we can choose a little bit where we want it. For example, if I do not longer want this face, then I can click on this face, delete it, and then select this one. Okay, so now I'm in this one. Or I can also do it in rounded or curved surfaces like this one. Okay, so you can see the logo is also rounded. It's not plain. Okay, so right now I'm going to select this one again. Okay, so you can only select one at a time. Okay, so now it's little because I changed it, but I can click here on Fit Width to Selection, or I can click on Fit Height to Selection, okay? Or I can unclick them, and I can choose the size by myself. For example, I want it 20, okay, by, yeah, like this. Okay, great. And I can also change the angle in which is it, okay? So right now I'll write 180. And I can also flip it in case it is flipped. I can also mirror horizontally. It means I just flip the image in this way, or mirror vertically in this way. Okay, so you can always choose what do you prefer. Okay, so these are the options for mapping. It's really easy to use. I also have this little menu where I can choose the location of my photo. For example, right now it's in 0,0, which is the center of the seat, but I can also move it to the left or to the right or to the top or to the bottom, just inputting the values here, or I can move it manually using these arrows. Okay, so for example, I want to put it here. Okay, so as you can see, we got a little bit black surface here, but if you see the original image, I will show you. Okay, okay, so I will choose here, and I want to image icons. Okay, so this image is a PNG, so it has nothing here, so we shouldn't be seeing these black surfaces. Okay, so one thing that is good about Decals is that you have this illumination part, and you have some options to get real reflections on shadows on this logo. Okay, so I'll look here, and you can see there's not really an option to choose the transparency of my part. Yeah, exactly. So right now we'll leave it like here, and you see it's a very good option for logos, but it still doesn't solve the of the black background that we don't want. Okay, so we will check out another option that we have. Okay, so for this option, you will click also on Sketch. You already know the Sketch tool very well. And you will click on the surface that you want to do, for example, this one. Okay, so here you have two options. You can click here on Search Commands, and you can look for Sketch So it's this one, okay? If for some reason you cannot look, use this tool of looking, the tool is here, hide it in Tools, Sketch Tools, and then you have to look for Sketch Picture. Okay, so it must be, I don't see it yet. Yeah, here, Sketch Picture, okay? Okay, so you will get this option of looking for your pictures. So also click now, right? I'm going to click on this one. Okay, I can choose my resolution now. High resolution is good for me. And you see the problem here is that it doesn't automatically fit. Okay, so right now it's very big, but no problem. I can just make it small enough to fit my rubber. Okay, I can also move it around. I can also flip it. You can also change the size here. So you get many options. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it also so you can see. Here the menu is a little bit different, but you have the same options. You can flip it horizontally or you can flip it vertically. Okay, so right now we're gonna leave it like this. And here I have an extra option. So this option is called transparency, okay? So this is really useful because I can choose it from File, which means it will automatically delete the background that I don't want, that it's already defined in the PNG image, okay? But I can also choose transparency decided by me or full image. So I normally use full image with, you can see I can make it a little bit transparent if I want this gray color to be more noticeable, if I don't want this sticker to be completely over my color. Okay, so right now I'm gonna leave it just from File. Okay, so this is the difference between Sketch Picture and Decal. You can also see that the illumination here and here are different because Sketch Picture doesn't get any light or shadow as Decals do. So this part will always get reflections here and shadows as I move my model through the light, but this part will always remain the same color. So it depends. For example, for renderings, Decals are much better if you want to see the shadows and illumination in a natural way. But if you just prefer not to see any shadows, then you can try using Sketch Picture. So do you have any questions until now?
No, thank you.
I have a question. When you sketch a picture and the picture is in the background, in the shadow of the light, is it also bright or goes it also unbright or dark?
Can you repeat your question?
So when you sketch a picture and it is on a model and this part of the picture is in the backside of the light, so in the shadow,
Yeah.
Is it also bright then, the sketched picture? Okay. So
it's also bright.
It has a light also. It looks like it has a light.
Yeah, exactly. So this Decal will always get shadows and lights, but these sketch pictures will not get any shadows or light. It will always look like this. You can actually see it here, that it looks a little bit different, but we can make it here. So I'll sketch picture here.
But can you make also the transparency on the first kind of a picture?
No, you cannot make it.
Okay. Oh, this is the difference. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, exactly. So I'll sketch picture now, so you can see. Okay, so this is this one. Yeah. I also get this one. Now it's flipped, so I'll get it the same size. Okay, I will flip it horizontally and I'll flip it vertically. Okay. So I'll choose transparency from File. You can see the differences here. Okay, and I'll exit. And you see right now which is the difference between the color here that's with shadow and the color here that's always bright. And it doesn't matter if I move it, it will always be the same. Yeah. So this is difference.
This looks not so natural, no?
Yeah, exactly. Not so natural, but for a 3D model, it may look right for you. So it depends on what do you prefer. Okay, so I will also show you a quick tool that may be useful for you in some situations. So for this, I will open a new part. Okay, so I have nothing here. I will sketch a new sketch on the top plane. Okay, I will also choose. Okay, let me. For example, I want to look for some tool. Yeah, for example, I want to draw a wing of a plane. So I'll choose this one. Okay, so what you must do is save your file, put it where you can locate it. Okay, save it. Yes. Okay, and when you are in sketch picture, in your sketch, you can also look sketch picture. Yeah, so you look for it here. Okay, so I got this. You can also size it if you need to, but right now we're gonna leave it like this. Okay. So here's my picture, but I can make lines above my picture. Okay, so this is particularly useful when you got this kind of curves or figures that you do not know the dimensions and you want to draw them. So for example, if I wanted to draw this manually, maybe I would do some splines and maybe I will have a little bit of problem with making it exactly the same. But with this tool, Sketch Picture, it's really easy to use because you can draw over a picture that you have and you will get a very similar result. Yeah. So you can see my curve is really nice. Okay, so you need to calculate a little bit the space between the points of the spline so you can get a nice curve. Yeah, exactly. So I will keep clicking until I finish my curve. Yeah. Okay. So this is my spline. Right now it looks exactly like my picture. You can leave the picture there or you can always delete it if you click on delete. And you will see this menu. Yes, I want to delete it and you get. Okay, and then you can do normal operations like extrude, revolve, etc. Okay, so this is the same tool, but you can use it as different situations. So do you have any questions until now?
No, thank you.
Okay, so now it's your turn to put the logos in the rover filling.
Okay.
So I can share this folder with you by WhatsApp.
I think Ralf already sent it to me, so I've
Okay.
downloaded it.
Oh, great. Okay, perfect.
Yep. So you can see my screen now, right?
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, there were some pictures on this surface.
Mm-hmm.
So sketch. What was it? Not?
It's sketch with K. SK.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Okay, maybe it's in German.
Yeah.
Okay, you can look it in tools.
I think I know what it's in German, right? Okay, I'll look into it.
Mm-hmm. You have sketch tools, I think. Yeah. The middle one, I think it is. Oh, okay, so you need to be on a sketch when you want to sketch picture. If you are not in
Okay.
inside a sketch, it will not let you use it.
So now.
Okay, so remember that a sketch, you can only use them in plane surfaces.
Okay, and how can
you
I?
can try on the seat. So curved surfaces like fenders, you will need to use decals. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a little bit down.
It should be this one, but it's.
Okay, then try with decals.
Okay.
Maybe if you open the seat in another part, maybe it will let you do it.
Okay. My SolidWorks is very slow today.
Oh, that's bad.
Okay. So let's open this part separately. Okay. And now we can create a new sketch. And look if, yeah, it's working.
Yeah, perfect. Okay.
Okay. I'll use the low quality because I think it's just, otherwise it takes too much time, I guess.
Okay, no problem.
But where is it?
Yeah,
interesting. Okay, so I'll flip it horizontal and vertical. And select this option. And now I want to place it in the middle. Is there any option to say place it in the middle, or?
Yeah, it depends on your coordinates of your seat. You need to see where is the middle. So your middle can be your 0, 0 can be in the center of the seat, or it can be in one corner or another corner.
Okay. So maybe I'll just do it manually.
This is also when it's useful to use the origin, for example, as when you are sketching, use origin. So in this, when you are doing this kind of operations, you always know that you are in 0, 0. Instead of doing a random rectangle wherever you want, you do it in the center, and then you always have the center there.
Oh, okay. So I click on save. And I want to rebuild it in order to see my changes.
Correct.
Oh. Okay. So I'll go back and flip it horizontally. I guess it was.
So I think you cannot edit it. I think you need to put it again with sketch picture. Yeah.
what happens.
I think also your SolidWorks, it's very slow today.
Yeah.
So if other programs open, you can close them, so your computer will have it.
They're all closed actually.
Okay, then.
I've just SolidWorks and Zoom open.
Okay, then we must be patient.
Okay. So I select it again.
Mhm.
Low quality. And now I don't flip it at all.
Okay.
And just select this one.
Mhm.
Let's see. I want to rebuild it. Ta-da! But now they're also over here because they're like the same part.
Yeah, exactly. So what you can do is save one seat with the
Logo on it.
one seat without a sticker.
Okay. And for this one, we need the how will it called again?
Edit decal.
Decal. Okay, option.
It's the same as sticker. Yep.
Okay. And how can I start it? Offset
Okay.
of this one or?
No, it's on your left menu when it's where your free is.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I like.
And
Yeah.
then on the cylinder with the logo, exactly. So you will get the library. I suggest that you click on a random one and you drag it to where you want, and then you can change it.
I want to recycle it. Okay, where can we place it? Oh, black on black. I don't know.
Like on your folder, for example.
Sorry?
Okay, yeah. I said that you can place it on the fender if you want to put the logos there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
Where is it now?
I don't know. Maybe it's small.
The brick?
Okay, can you put it, drag it on the fender? Oh, you can see where it is if you click on. You have your menu and you have the options Abbilden, Beleuchtung, and Build on the top of your.
Oh, yeah.
So you can click on the first one, and you have it on your seat. So you can choose there which surface you want. Yeah, should be there.
Nobody knows where.
Yeah, try changing sizes. So maybe it's too small or too big.
It's like 17 centimeters.
Okay, can you get far?
No, 100.
From your model? Maybe it's the thing. Yeah, okay, it's that big. This is a whole image, so you must make it smaller. It normally fits automatically, but
Wow. Okay.
I'm surprised. Okay.
Okay, maybe we should do it again because it's not working.
Yeah, okay. Just cancel it and do it again. So we have 2 minutes. If if the session goes down, we just connect again.
Okay. So the surface open, or should we just try to open our own library maybe?
Yeah, I think there's not an option like to open like the one you want. Just put one on the surface and then you change it.
Okay.
Okay, so now it's working, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you
Proof.
can check the file. Mhm.
Oh no. It's so hard to handle it. Like I want to drag it to this place and it's just going the other direction.
Okay, so instead of selecting the complete fender, try only to select that surface.
So we want to change this one
Yeah.
to a surface, right?
Mm-hmm.
So like this.
Okay. Should be better, but maybe you can change the angle. I guess it's like turned.
We
Oh,
could
yeah,
make it to
it's in 15.
what happens if we have 0. Okay, it looks better now.
Where is it? I cannot see it.
I don't know, but like it was black before
Yeah.
and now it turns gray. So something happened.
Yeah, something happened. I think it's maybe too big, and then it's like absorbing all the color on your fender.
Yeah. Well, I can't edit.
Yeah, you can edit it. Click on the first one. On the first, yeah. Or
Okay.
on the, yeah. Is there an edit option?
Yeah, it was this one.
Okay, so you should look for an option that it's called auto fit.
No.
If not, also you can try opening the part. Maybe it's easier than doing it in the assembly mode. Oh, okay, so I choose the sweep operation instead of the surface. But yeah, I think it's better if we do it on the part instead of the assembly.
Okay, so I'll delete it now.
Mm-hmm.
And now we can open the part. Oh no, this one. Okay, here we are. Okay. Okay, it works better now.
Yeah, perfect.
You should change the angle.
Okay. Yeah, you have your options on the left. In a built-in part, I think it is. Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, now it's the surface. And let's say exactly 270 degrees.
Yeah, you have I think it's called Breite auf Auswahl anpassen and an option called yeah, so it automatically fits one or you can see the difference. You can click on both, on only one or in none of them, so you can
yeah
what happens.
It's now very stretched, but I don't know.
I think it's okay, but
yeah, okay, let's see. Let's move it.
yeah, it looks very nice. Okay. So the other
Now the second one.
part, because it's the left one and the right one, so you shouldn't have any problems.
That was the wrong surface, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to change the angle again. I don't know. Okay. And it's the wrong way around, so we should flip it. The direction.
Yeah, it's also, you have the options there, horizontal, spiegel.
Yeah, now it's right. Okay. Save it. And okay. I guess we should do the back fenders as well.
Okay, yeah.
Because yeah. Okay. So the option. Okay. And now this one. Oh, it was again the wrong surface. We want this one. Let's change the victory. Okay.
It helps if you click like wherever you want on your screen, so it like updates this.
Okay.
It's
There's
weird.
something wrong with the SolidWorks today. I don't know.
Okay, let's see the assembly. If it, yeah, I think it's bad again.
What happened?
Okay, so maybe you try it again.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So I'll just delete this one and try it again.
I think what you can also do if you want your logos like in that menu is that you can take them from your folder and drag them and put them on the menu, and then you can
Okay.
on your model.
Okay.
Yeah, it worked.
Now it looks nice. I guess there were 2 more stickers, but actually one was placed over here. Yeah, that's fine, but the other one was placed over here, and like the surface is too small, so
Okay.
I think we either have to add a part or leave it out for now. I don't know.
Okay. So can you put the other one first? The other one that it's fine?
I don't know if it's fine, but we can try it because it has like this size. So here is, you know what I mean? Like here's a hole where the stickers.
Okay.
I think it's not possible.
Okay, so we must create
Or we can just try it.
another part, another surface, so we can place it. Can you do it, please?
Okay.
So Ralf is back. Hello, Ralf, and hello, Jesco.
Hi.
Hallo, Jesko, sag auch mal Hallo.
Nein.
Give me permission again, so we make double record.
And now we can use the sketch one to create a part with the same size, I guess.
Yeah. But just check the dimensions of the rover, because the sketch or the picture may be too big for the rover.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, better.
Okay.
Make the part depending on the rover and the sketch depending on the part.
So maybe we can measure this distance and this angle, and then we can adapt the print on this size.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Okay. 40 millimeters. And an angle. How can I select the angle?
Okay, you can get out of the measuring menu, get out. Yeah, okay. You can just select one line and the other line, but just with shift on your keyboard without, yeah, okay. Okay, so sometimes, yeah, in the bottom part of your SolidWorks, you get some information and you can see the angle is 126.1.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we can create a new part. And we can put a measurement right here, which says 14 millimeters. And I guess now we need the sketch of the logo as well, that we know the length of those lines.
No, you only need the size
you're
from the
talking
logo.
about.
All numbers are in the logo inside. Maybe you create only a platform, patch the logo on it, and then you cut the platform in the drawing, and then you have everything.
Yeah. And now we can insert the skizzen, the picture maybe, to see.
You can also make now a last line and make it parallel, but without another size to the lower line. So you can change it then. No?
Okay. Yeah, it's basically the same. But
Yeah, also when you put the picture in the same sketch as your lines, you will only see the extrusion when you do it. So you need to sketch a picture and do it in another sketch different to your lines.
okay.
If I explain myself.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Like that. Like that should be fine first.
Okay, let's see.
And first of all, I have to create a new sketch, of course.
Yeah, although it's better that you make the extrusion. Even
first, okay, yeah.
Yeah, 0.1 millimeter, that's fine. And then you make your new sketch in one of the faces.
Oops. Okay, so here we can see that the size of the actual rover is different than the size of the model. So that's why it doesn't fit. But
Yeah. So then the size in the MiniRover may be a little bit different from the actual real rover.
yeah.
You can decide.
Yeah, this is possible because this MiniRover is from 2013 and the parts are later. No?
Okay. Okay. Let's save this part. Let's see if it's the right folder. Okay. Where's the part?
What happens if you click? Maybe it's not loading, but if you click it.
Ah, it's over here. You see it?
Oh, yeah. What happened there?
I don't know. There it is.
Okay.
Okay. The picture is from both sides on it.
That's weird.
Okay. But here it's like the right side. So
The right side. Yeah, okay.
let's create a mate.
Now it's only on one side.
It's so strange. Okay. And then the surface should touch this one. And the surface should touch this one.
What happens? Is everything all right?
Let's see. Oh, and now the sticker is gone. I don't know. There it is again. But wait,
Yeah, this is because
it's
SolidWorks is
really
time
strange.
to calculate all the
Yeah,
pictures.
but now it's the wrong way around. So we need to delete one mate.
Okay.
It's so slow today. I don't know why.
Delete the surfaces and make it only by edge.
Okay. Where is it? I've done nothing. It's so strange.
Yeah, it's because it's rotating about the centroid of the rover, so
Okay.
it gets hard. Yeah.
Then it won't work. So I want this surface to touch this surface. Okay, now it's rotated. That's good. And now we can select the edges.
Perfect.
Oh, I guess it's maybe the wrong edge. It needs to be this edge. Nothing happens. That's really strange.
When nothing happens, it means that it's not possible normally, but you can confirm and see, and you will get. Yeah, I'm seeing already got like.
So it's not possible to select the edges.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And normally it's possible, but right now you may have some other geometrical constructions that limit you from doing that.
Basically, that's what I've done before too, but let's see. No.
Okay, so you may have some other mates that are limiting you.
Mm-hmm.
You must go to your mates and see which is the last one that you added and delete it so we can work with new ones.
But actually, it's the one that.
Okay, see if there's another one.
This one is something else, right?
Yeah, that one is making something.
No, it's from the telemetry, I guess.
Oh, okay, then only delete the last one and then we will only change orders. So sometimes it also helps.
Okay. So should I try again to select the edge?
Yeah, try again.
The problem is that the things I do with my mouse are coming with a kind of delay today, so that's why everything is so strange.
Yeah, I understand the feeling. I know it's so frustrating.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's nothing you can basically do. And in fact, I suggest that you save your file like whenever you think of it, because when SolidWorks is very slow, then it can crash, and it will not save your progress.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now the edges are fine.
Mm-hmm.
Move it manual, yeah.
What?
Move it manual to the right place.
Yeah. But the point is that it's now not fixed, but I guess. Where's the sticker? Why is it gone?
I think your SolidWorks is playing tricks on you.
Okay, let's say because it's inside of it now. I don't know. Now it's again.
Okay, now maybe you can do the surface mate. The two faces touch.
My laptop is very hot. I don't know if there's a possibility to select. Oh, there's the sticker. Okay.
If not, just put the right mates and then we edit the sticker on the part.
Now there's the sticker, and it's
Okay,
gone.
great.
So strange.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, it's just taking a lot
But it's now
to
fixed.
calculate,
I
and then
guess.
you rotate the view, and then you change the view, and then it has to calculate again.
Yeah, but it's fixed. No, it's not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
But the surfaces are now
Okay.
touching each other.
Yeah, the surfaces are great.
Oh, the sticker will come back.
Yeah, I think it will take a little bit of.
Ah, there it is.
Yeah. So when you rotate it again, maybe it will disappear, but it's also because your computer is taking time. But that's all. Yeah.
Yeah, Verine, you inserted this in a high resolution. So this is a file what has 300 or 400 kilobyte. Or
No, I
some
selected
megabyte.
the low.
No,
I
when
selected the
you-
low resolution.
No, I was there. I saw that you made it in a high resolution.
No, we chose low
And
resolution.
you made it small, but it is in the high resolution again.
No, we made it in
it's
the low resolution on purpose.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, but that looks like nice, no? Beautiful. Unfortunately, so you did not drive your championship because 2019 it was blue completely.
And it was Lunafort. It was not Calypso.
Yeah, kind of that. No, you had pedals of
A
Calypso
mixture.
and the front axle of Lunarhot, but yeah, okay. But this looks nice, very nice, beautiful. Now, Bangladesh, what do you say about this? Do you like this? Okay, you like this, very nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, do you want to do this also? Do you want to make this, want to learn this also? Yeah, do you want to learn this? So, it will be the next unit in the February, where you start by the beginning, and then you can learn this also, okay? Well, I think we are ready. Verine, this is very nice. So a small applause for Verine here. And Verine, what you can do now is always make some renderings and clap the hands, yeah, and save it as a 3D PDF that we can make some graphics with that, and that you can roll it on your computer. So this is very nice. You can play a little bit around that. And maybe you want to attach a camera or something else, maybe also a chain or a better pedal, what you can do by yourself. You know now everything what is able to build a rover. Here it is a MiniRover, a small version, but now I think the next pieces you can do by yourself. Thank you all for this lesson number 10, the first series. I need to say that Valeria will leave us today or tomorrow to Mexico. She flies back. She's sitting now in Germany here, and but I hope we will see her back in this same cinema Zoom meeting in next month, because now after this Zoom meeting we will make a small certificate ceremony. And what Valeria will get in the certificate ceremony, you will see on the Facebook at International Space Education Institute, and also my Ralf Heckel, Ralf.Heckel1 at Facebook. So thank you for all. Thank you mostly for Valeria and Verine for your nice drawing. Thank you also Cosma and Tara, and also see you back Bangladesh in the next month by the lesson number 1 from the first beginner course. Okay, if somebody has a question, I'm here.
So, in the lesson, I made a little seat with a unicorn on it, like Freen did it with the stickers, and maybe I can show it to the other people.
Yes, that would be so nice. Please show it to us.
So how can I share
Okay,
my
so
screen?
you got a green button that that says
Okay.
screen. Yeah, and you
Yeah.
click all your screen.
Okay, so I have. Do you can see it? So I have to
Yeah, correct.
open it. It's this one. Yeah. Ta-da! I tried it also.
Yeah, okay, great, Cosma. Thank you for your work.
Wow,
It's a beautiful seat.
a unicorn.
The next rover could be called Unicorn.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you, Cosma, for sharing your work, and also thanks, Farine, for taking this course with me, and for sharing so many hours with you. And
Thank you for everything.
Yeah. Thank you.
yeah, I'm very glad also with Cosma that she's also a very advanced student in SolidWorks, and she's also doing parts to give gifts to her friends, to make rubber parts, to make a lot of things. So I'm very proud of you, my students, and also by Tara, because she's also capable. She made some Christmas spheres. She made some Halloween decoration. Also some Schnee, like for Christmas. So I'm really happy that I worked with you three.
Thank you. It was also very cool with you.
Okay, so I think that is all for now, and we will see us in the next course in February.
Okay, thank you for all. And I want to send you a last small picture. This is mostly for our friends from Bangladesh. So what we are doing here, because everything what we do on CAD, we also print on 3D printer and can have it as a hardware. So there's a picture from a little rover, what you see now. Everything what you seen is reality. We can put it into the 3D printer, we can print it and have it as a hardware then in the hand. What you can do also then at home to print it if you have a friend with a 3D printer, or you send us your files, we print it and send it by post service to you to Bangladesh. Okay, so thank you for all, and I think now I'm hungry for the ceremony dinner.
Okay, see you.
Bye bye. See you.
Bye. Have a nice ceremony.
Bye bye.
Bye.